listen. Pag hindi nakuha ni Sir Groom in 20 seconds, isauli yung pera. Kaya hindi ko tayo pinapaupo. Okay? Meron ba chance na? Meron chance? Okay, 20 seconds. Okay, Sir Groom, are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? Okay, are you ready, Sir Groom?
Ready.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, 20 seconds! 15 seconds! 10, 9, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1! Ibig sabihin, Ming Huy ang principal sponsor. Pili mabalik ang kwarta. Ato ko lang masigaw ng palagpag ang principal sponsors. You may now take your seat. Okay, maraming salamat.